Hey guys, this is Mahesh, the freelancer. So, in this video, I'll try to qualify for the UHR CTAP Defensive Intent Classification V3. Without any further ado, let's begin. Uh, so this is the query, guys. Colorado protester shooting. So, in this query, there is a term, search term shooting. It was some violence kind of thing. So I'll go with not okay to show. So Antifa Russia funding. So I could see here if the queries related to the riots funding. Just it's rate not okay to show. So I'll go with not okay to show. George Floyd CNN video. Looks like it was a general query. CNN is a news channel. So looks like user is trying to search George Floyd news on CNN channel. So it's a general query. So I'll go with not okay. Sorry, okay to show. Black Panther movement. So we got a Wikipedia page. So looks like user is seeking some information about this Black Panther movement. So in this keyword there is no biased terms here. Also nothing controversial kind of thing. Just some information. I'll go with okay to show. Get the third degree. So it was usually third degree is something cops due to some accused guy to get the truth. I would say this is something violence kind of thing. I'll go with not okay to show. Yeah, cops innocent George Floyd. See, cops innocent. So in this query, you could see cops. I mean, user is trying to search cops as innocent, something like that. So the query is biased towards cops. So for this kind of queries, go with not okay to show. So all lives matter, police brutality. So any queries in which there is some violence or brutality kind of things, so kind of keywords used. So just go with not okay to show, because usually with these particular search query, in the search results mostly we'll get police brutality cases or searches, which may not be appropriate for most of the users, or at least few users. So for this kind of queries, go with not okay to show. Black Lives Matter laugh face. What does it mean? News about. Is it LA means Los Angeles? Los Angeles business owner targeted, accused for being racist. So here user is trying to know information. Not like that. Some kind of controversial, I guess. If you get simply the search terms Black Lives Matter, just go with okay to show, because there is nothing biased. But here LA face, you could see in the first search term itself, some business owner targeted, accused for being racist, some kind of controversial negative information. I'll go with not okay to show. MSCI Black Lives Matter. What does MSCI means? MSCI, Black Lives Matter, BLM. What does, just I'll just try to look it in search term over here. DuckDuckGo. Yeah. MSCI powering better investment decisions. So I think even in the search results, we didn't get any controversial or negative news. We got a Wikipedia page, so looks like MSCI doesn't mean anything, or because mostly in the search terms we got all the positive information, so nothing controversial. I'll go with OK to show. Pronounce Shevin. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but how to pronounce Shevin. So it's general information, I guess. But recently this guy, he's accused, in one murder case, right? So if a user is trying to pronounce this particular guy name, I think it's not okay to show, I guess. I don't know, because why the user wants to pronounce this particular name, I don't know. I'll go with not okay to show. You have passed the qualification test. Yeah, so that was it, guys. Where is it? I'll filter it. Qualified. Yeah, so here it is, defensive intent classification. So you can just qualify for this hit type, and you can go as fast as possible because it's a simple hit type, guys. You could see here Santa Cruz, BLM, mural, something non-English. This one I only kneel for. So not okay to show because trooper refused to kneel for BLM. It's controversial, something like that. Riots, not okay to show. Connection to Democratic Party, controversial, not okay to show. Casino Loftin, looks like who is it? Nothing controversial, okay to show. Rome, Minneapolis, nothing controversial, okay to show. Something like that. Go like this, guys. So if you find the video useful, please do subscribe, guys, and thank you for watching.